Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about why you cannot get hung up over your YouTube views. So about 6 months ago, I did this post to give an example and to show people why you cannot get hung up over the initial views. So this was a post here 6 months ago. It is September 5th, 2020, and this post that I did was in February. And it reads, "We just released a YouTube video earlier this morning titled How to Create a Poll on Facebook 2020, and it only has 28 views. Pretty bad, right? Most people see the initial outcome of something and judge too quickly and give up. By the end of this year, this one single video will have at least 50,000 to 100,000 views. The game is to be patient, keep consistent, and keep growing." And it says here, we've never been obsessed with having the most amount of views on our videos. We've always been focused on truly helping people with our tutorials. Stop chasing immediate gratification. It's a long-term game. So I want to show the results of this video, being that it's now half a year since I posted this. It's now 6 months. So this is the stats on that exact same video that I was talking about. It now currently has 75,000 views, and it has generated $388.44. That is in US. I'm here in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. So that is about 507 Canadian dollars that this one video has generated. So it hasn't even been the full year. It's only been 6 months and it already has 75,000 views. And I'll show you on the stats of the views here. Initially, right, this right here, whoops, February, it's hard to get it there, February 11th, 5 a.m. this video was released. 0 views. And then the first 5 days of this video had 86, like a quote-unquote measly 86 views. And that's the thing, is a lot of people judge if your video doesn't get a lot of views within the first 24 hours or the first week, that people freak out and they automatically deem that video as a fail, like an epic fail. And you can see here that the first 5 days, it had less than 100 views. But you know, from the very beginning, I knew that if we were gonna last on YouTube, mentally, you cannot be obsessed with the views in that way where you get upset. It's kind of like, yes, I love the views, but I know that that video is gonna do well later on. I know that it's gonna get picked up, because we're providing quality content in the video. We are providing a solution to a problem. There's a great thumbnail, and Arit, who is my best friend and business partner, she does amazing SEO, search engine optimization on the video. The titles, tags, and description, I know that she's done all that in the video. And you can see here, as we move the needle along, it starts to get more and more views. Now this is still considered bad. You know, the first 17, 20 days there, less than 100 views. Technically it should have thousands. Doesn't start to get picked up here until March 16th or so, is when you kind of see the blue line finally lifting off the ground here. And then you see that it just kind of does this upward trajectory up until now, and it's been half a year at 75,002 views. And you can see that 41% of our views is coming from YouTube search, meaning people are finding this video organically in the YouTube search. And if you really want to last in this whole YouTube game, you really need to switch your mindset and just focus on the quality, focus on helping people with your videos, or if you're not doing tutorials, focus on making people laugh, entertaining, whatever kind of style of video you're doing. Focus on that. Once you've got that down, then work on your thumbnails, your SEO, get better at design with your thumbnails, get better at the titling, and be consistent with your YouTube publishing schedule. I cannot stress that enough. When you take breaks from your YouTube schedule, like if you posted a while, like once a week for a good number of time, and then you took like half a year off, and then you're expecting to come back and it be the exact same. YouTube isn't really like that. So that's why you need to, A, be doing videos that you enjoy. There are so many stories and videos that I see of people saying that they're creating content for the wrong reasons, creating content just to get views, creating content because they know that that's the video that will make money. That's not a good long-term strategy, because that's going to deplete you emotionally, and eventually you're going to want to quit and not do YouTube anymore. We've been doing YouTube for 5 years, and I've never felt the need to want to stop or quit. I feel like I'm just getting started. Especially for all those new YouTubers, smaller channels, that's some of the best advice I can give starting out if you do want YouTube to be this long-term game for yourself. If you guys like these kinds of videos, you like this kind of content, you guys can feel free to join our Creative Business Success Facebook group community. The link will be down in the description below. It's a free Facebook group. We post a whole bunch of stuff like this and more. We run contests, we answer people's questions, and it's a great community for other creative entrepreneurs. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.